morning, students. Welcome to online class. So, the last class I started lesson 2, sensitivity towards others. In this chapter, we know about Meena and her 9 years old son, and her son was so concerned about a special girl who cannot hear and unable to walk also. And he wanted to bring joy to a special girl. We also take the example of Neeta. She lives in a joint family, and when she was playing with neighbor friends, and that time her grandfather was sleeping and she did not make any noise. Basudha, she is a successful fashion designer. Every morning she bathes and feeds her grandmother, and in the evening she cleans and feeds her again. And living in a quiet world where we knew about Anjali was born deaf, she cannot hear the noise, the sounds, or people talking. And here we introduce some sign languages, how deaf people represent A, B, C, D, E, F. These are sign language. And now, today, I will discuss about living in a dark world. This is the last part of your chapter. The visually impaired people learn to use their sense of touch to feel and anticipate. They read books that are different from ours. They read books that are different from ours. हम लोग जो बुक पढ़ते हैं इससे डिफरेंट बुक है इन लोगों का. द पेज ऑफ देयर बुक्स आर थिक. इन लोगों का जो बुक होता है उसका पेज थोड़ा मोटा होता है. एंड हैव रोज एंड रेज्ड डॉट्स. डॉट डॉट होता है. These books are written in Braille. This system is called Braille because this system was invented by Louis Braille. You know Louis Braille. The hearing impaired or visually impaired children deserve our understanding and not pity. They do not have the ability to hear with their ears or see with their eyes. वे लोग बोल नहीं सकता है और देख भी नहीं सकता है. सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत यही है. जो ब्लाइंड पर्सन होता है वो तो देख तो नहीं पाता है लेकिन सुन भी नहीं सकता है. बट दे कैन बी गाइडेड टू मूव अराउंड ऑन देयर ओन लाइक अदर पीपल. दे कैन स्टडी. लेकिन वो लोग पढ़ सकता है एंड वो काम कर सकता है एट डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशन. किसी तरह का कोई भी ऑक्यूपेशन हो. दे कैन प्रूव टू बी यूजफुल मेंबर ऑफ ए सोसाइटी. वो लोग अपने आप को प्रूव कर सकता है कि वो सोसाइटी के लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन है. लेकिन ये तभी संभव है इफ दे आर गिवन प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड गाइडेंस. अगर उन लोग को प्रॉपर फैसिलिटी मिले, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले एंड गाइडेंस मिले. वी मस्ट गिव देम रिस्पेक्ट. नेवर बी अफ्रेड टू आस्क इफ दे नीड एनी हेल्प. अगर उन लोगों को कोई ज़रूरत पड़ता है तो हम लोग को कभी डरना नहीं है पूछने से. हम लोग को पूछना चाहिए. सो इन दिस पार्ट वी नो अबाउट लुइस ब्रेल. सो देन हु वाज लुइस ब्रेल? So I want to try some word about Louis Braille. Louis Braille was born on January 4, 1889 in Couvray, फ्रांस। फ्रांस में इसका जन्म हुआ। द सन ऑफ अ हार्नेस मेकर, एक हार्नेस मेकर मतलब जो घोड़े का कोई भी घोड़े का को दौड़ाने के लिए जो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनता है, वो सब बनाने में जो मिस्त्री काम करता है उसी को हार्नेस मेकर बोलता है। एंड ब्रेली वॉज ब्लाइंडेड बाय एन एक्सीडेंट। ब्रेली एक एक्सीडेंट में वो अंधा हो गया था। तो ब्रेली वॉज ब्लाइंडेड बाय एन एक्सीडेंट व्हेन ही वॉज 3, जब उसका 3 साल ही उम्र था। ही एजुकेटेड एट द नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर ब्लाइंड यूथ इन पेरिस। पेरिस में वो एजुकेटेड हुए थे। Rayleigh developed a raised dot code that enable blind person to read and write, and this is called Rayleigh system. And it has since been accepted globally. And that time, it has since been accepted globally. So, in this chapter, we know about a blind person, and we should sensitive towards this person. We never be afraid to ask them their needs and help. And now, how to develop sensitivity towards other? कैसे हम लोग अपना सेंसिटिविटी को डेवलप कर सकते हैं? नंबर 1, respect the elder. We should respect the elders. Do not make unkind remark about anyone's physical appearance, like children wearing braces, special shoes, spectacles, etc. Do not make negative remark about anyone, religion, caste, language, etc. Talk politely to younger children, older people, and everyone, especially the servants also. Try to participate in different activities. Participate is more important than winning. It is not important that you have to win the program, you have to win the match, but you have to participate the match. So try to participate in different activities. Have sympathy for the poor and those suffering from any diseases. You should have a sympathy for the poor and those suffering from any diseases. Share the household chores. You should share the household chores like watering plants and cooking, bringing vegetables from market, medicines for grandfather, grandmothers, and learn about meditation. Learn about meditation. It develops an ability to handle stress. So we should learn about meditation because it develops our ability to handle stress. So these are the important part of your syllabus. So last class of this week, I will provide you a PDF of question answer of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.